Good afternoon, NBC family. Yes, manager the chef, LWB, is here preparing Thursday dinner. So in my pot, you have onion, sweet pepper, tomatoes, cucumber. Okay. Giving you a little guess. You're wondering what LWB gonna put in this nice steaming down seasoning. Okay, putting you on a guess list. Not gonna tell you as yet. It's a secret. Okay, put in steam. Walk over here. Okay, peas is cooking. Yeah, man, peas in the pot cooking. Yeah, man, cooking up a storm to the Thursday for them. Nice menu. And in this, yeah. Yes, that's the surprise here. Saltfish. Okay, so it's my saltfish. I have the saltfish to this nice steam seasoning. I add the saltfish to this nice seasoning. Yes, MVP family. I add my saltfish. Yes, still have you on the guessing list. Gonna add something else to it. Yes, MVP family. So I had in my baked beans and my pasta to hit. Yeah, man. Call it a vegetarian menu. Saltfish, baked bean with some macaronis, sweet pepper, cucumber, tomato, onion, you name it. Yeah, too much meat, not good. With rice and peas. Wonderful menu I'm giving them today. Wonderful menu. Yeah, man, looking nice, lovely, looking good. Yes, MVP family, dinner is ready. All right, see what the dinner look like. Yeah, so dinner is ready. I have to put some of the dinner in the soup dish because I don't have any one to pick up the dishes, so sometimes I end up have to put dinner in the soup dish. So this is their dinner. Going to cover and go and serve. Yes. Serve for dinner is in the background, okay? Yes, so to God be the glory. My unfortunate ones, elderly ones, blind, and you name it, are going to get their one meal, all of because of the Blessing Soup Kitchen. To God be the glory. God bless my director, Miss Bev Production, with this wonderful soup kitchen project, which is helping a lot of people in my community. Let God be praised. Good morning, MVP family. Yeah, man, the lunch bag is packed and ready to go. Call the driver already. He's on his way. It's just a little after 8 o'clock. So they're gonna get their breakfast now. Yes, MVP family. Journey with LWB. Still going down the road. Almost reach a mile journey. I'm journeying down. Me and Jesus walking. Don't know what happened. Don't see the driver. So I'm journeying down. Journey with LWB. Make the journey lighter. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. So it go. As I said, if I have to walk, I will walk to deliver their breakfast and their dinner. Just asking God for the strength. You know, because it's not an easy journey. So I'm almost completed 1 mile already. So journey with Bev Brown, alright? Yeah, man. Yes, so the dishes them washed and dry, clean and ready for more delicious meals in them. Okay.